Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows and browser can use your mic. Open Privacy and Security and enable microphone access for apps and desktop apps. This lets Google Meet request input. Once done, open Sound Settings and pick the exact input device you want, built-in, USB, or headset. Then speak to watch the input meter move. Make sure browsers you use show a green input indicator when testing, because without that, Meet can't receive audio. Next, ensure the browser is granting Meet microphone access. Join a Meet, click the padlock in the address bar, and set microphone to allowed, then confirm the selected device matches Windows sound input. If audio still fails, quit apps that can monopolize the mic, Teams, recording software, or virtual audio drivers because exclusive access blocks Meet. If permission seems stuck, clear site permissions for Meet. Google, calm and reload. This forces a fresh prompt and often resolves hidden permission conflicts. Finish by updating and resetting audio at the driver level. Open Device Manager, update the microphone or audio interface driver, then reboot to apply changes. After restart, test in the Sound Control Panel's Recording tab and set the device as default communication device. Make sure exclusive mode is off so Meet can share audio. If problems persist, switch browsers or use the Meet mobile app as a workaround. Troubleshooting tip: if you still have no input, unplug or replace the mic and retry. Hardware faults are surprisingly common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.